Imagine walking into a massive warehouse, but instead of seeing bustling employees, you find rows of robots tirelessly walking away. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's today's reality.
This is Digit, a robot its makers say is ready to do what human warehouse workers do.
It can lift about 35 pounds. The robot weighs about what a person would weigh. It can reach about the size of what a person can reach. We're really going for that kind of like OSHA regulations and requirements for the robot.
Is this the future we envision? Or it is a dystopian nightmare?
It can enter places that were designed for humans and solve those challenges that exist without having to rebuild the environment for automation.
And it doesn't quit.
Today, we delve into the dark side of automation and its impact on jobs. Sit back, relax, and let's dive deep into the world of AI and robotics. Automation isn't a new concept. Since the Industrial Revolution, machines have been replacing manual labor to boost productivity and reduce cost. But the rise of AI and robotics has taken automation to unprecedented levels. Companies like Amazon are at the forefront of this technological revolution. Amazon has invested heavily in robotics. In 2012, they acquired Kiva Systems, now known as Amazon Robotics, for $775 million. This acquisition marked the beginning of a significant shift in their operation. But what does this mean for employees? In recent years, Amazon has cut down its workforce, replacing many roles with robots. According to a 2021 report by The Verge, Amazon deployed over 200,000 robots in their fulfillment centers, leading to significant job reductions. This trend isn't limited to Amazon. Other major companies are following suit. Walmart, for example, has introduced self-scanning robots and autonomous floor scrubbers, reducing the need for human labor. A report by Business Insider in 2019 highlighted that Walmart had employed thousands of robots across its stores. Let's look at some concrete examples. In 2020, Amazon announced plans to deploy delivery drones, further reducing the need for human delivery drivers. According to a CNBC report, these drones can deliver packages within 30 minutes, making the delivery process faster and more efficient.
One of the capabilities that this drone has is that not only is it fully autonomous, which means that it does not have a pilot. We load the mission into the drone at the delivery station as we load the package into the drone and send it off to complete its delivery.
Similarly, McDonald's is exploring the use of AI and robotics in their restaurants. In 2019, they acquired Apparently, a company specializing in voice-based AI technology, to automate drive-thru orders. A report by Forbes indicates that this move could significantly reduce the need for human staff. But what does this mean for the broader job market? The World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs report predicts that by 2025, 35 million jobs may be replaced by machines. However, it also forecasts the creation of 97 million new roles, particularly in tech and data science. The challenge lies in transitioning workers from obsolete roles to new ones. Companies and governments must invest in retaining and upskilling programs to help employees adapt to this new reality. Google's Grow with Google initiative, for example, offers free training in digital skills to prepare workers for future job opportunities.
For the first time, Google was in our city to host a workshop
teaching people how to optimize their online presence to grow their business.
The rapid rise of automation also raises ethical and social questions. Is it fair to replace human workers with machines? How do we ensure that the benefits of automation are shared equitably? According to a report by the Brookings Institution, there is a risk of increased income inequality as low-skilled jobs are automated. Moreover, the psychological impact on displaced workers can be profound. A study by the American Psychological Association found that the job loss due to automation can lead to increased stress, anxiety, and depression. So while automation promises greater efficiency and innovation, it comes with significant challenges. The future of work will depend on how well we can navigate these changes, ensuring that technology serves humanity and not the other way around. What do you think? Are robots the future we should embrace, or should we be wary of their impact on jobs? Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the world of business, technology, and beyond. Until next time, this is Ibrahim Asawan.